What's up? I decided to go live a little earlier than usual, so I hope that people still want to see me. How are you guys doing today? We're going to talk about meme coins. Why are we talking about meme coins today? Listen, meme coins are demonstrating time and time again to really be the first mover of the market, okay? Bitcoin was just sitting $200 shy of the all-time high yesterday. I'm sure that you're aware of it and that you're not living under a rock. And memes and a lot of things are going to be, in my opinion, the first movers to really move as soon as Bitcoin breaks an all-time high. Could happen tonight, could happen tomorrow. I'm not sure if you realize how big of a deal this is, because this could really kickstart the altcoin season as we love and intend, okay? November is bullish. November is usually even more bullish than October in the years of US elections. With the US election around the corner, guys, there's so many good things that are gonna come here. So I wanna focus on memes again. So we're perhaps gonna include some more. I'm trying to put like this list for meme coins only. So if you have any memes that are missing right here on my list, on my top list, I have my top. So these are the main memes that I would focus right now for the bull run or whatever. And then I have memes that I would buy. And then memes that perhaps I would fade. Maybe I would buy, maybe not. And then the memes that I wouldn't really buy. I will put them into the bet. So if you have new ones, let me know down in the comments. And we're gonna take it from there. The Speedy squad is checking in. And obviously, I love them. They're great. They're awesome. I'm not paid for saying that. People say, oh, how much money did Speedy give you? Nothing, bro. Nothing. I just really like what they're doing. I mean, if you're fading something that was touching the 50 millions in market cap and you just think that it's a bad meme, I mean, I'm sorry for you, but some people just lack a lot of IQ when it comes to investing. And I'm trying to help people out, but some people just will never know, right? Anyway, what I can tell you, guys, I was saying that it was a good accumulation area. I think I've talked about Speedy in the last live stream when I was saying, listen, 20 million, 25 million looks good to me. Then we had another bottom here, and now the chart just looks beautiful. Like, looks like it's ready to send. So it was not a one-hit wonder that a lot of people were insinuating. I said it, guys. I'm seeing the early days of Turbo. I am seeing what Turbo did in their early days. It's the same exact things. Community is bullish. They keep rating. Just look at the comments in this live stream. I'm not telling them to come. They just come organically because they want to push the project that they're investing in. I love this. And I absolutely love to see this, okay? I want to see more and more projects really doing this type of thing, really pushing the cult and community aspect instead of just waiting for influencers to push their bags, okay? It's one thing if an influencer pushes your bags, and that's great. I mean, I can do that. But I love the kind of communities that are really working for their bags. And this is exactly what I'm seeing in the Speedy community. They are working for their bags. They're not waiting for the next Murad to push their bags. They're just going after it. And these are going to be the memes that are going to be sustainable for the future, right? These are going to be, these are going to be the memes that are really going to thrive, and they're going to survive a lot of months and perhaps until the end of the bull market. And I expect a lot of good things from here. Just look what Turbo did, touching 1 billion in market. We're seeing the first centralized exchanges. I mean, tell me if I'm saying some stupid shit, but do I not follow them? Oh my God, let me do that. I am seeing some listings, right? Let me see. So they listed here. Is this a centralized exchange? It looks like a DEX. I'm not sure. I'm not familiar with this platform. Some people were telling me Bitmart. Can somebody tell me if they're listed on Bitmart? I don't think they are. Let me see if they're listed anywhere. Yeah, I don't think they are on proper centralized exchanges, but maybe somebody of the Speedy community in the comments can tell me. Maybe here? Maybe they're coming. I have no idea, guys. Somebody maybe can tell me down in the comments, right? Oh, I see some juicy comments. I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get to it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I have some good stuff to say. Anyway, before I go further down in the chat, so first of all, I have limited spots available in my VIP group, and I am also running a lifetime membership discount that I've never done ever. So if you want to get in at a discounted price, this is probably the last time that I'm ever going to do that. Email me onion to my email that you see down in the description, okay? So public service announcement, it's not going to come again. Don't ask me ever again. You have another couple of days time, and then don't ask me ever again. I'm not going to reply to you. Now, I also want to give a moment to talk about my futures trading group that is completely free, and it's conjunction with CoinW. Guys, you should be there. It's free, okay? I've started posting some updates of the ones that I take, and I'm going to post them into my private Discord, the ones that I follow myself. But listen, they are free to follow. All you got to do is register to CoinW with the link that I've done in the description. And there you click on this link, which is also down in the description, after you've deposited at least $100, and then you get access for free. So check it out. It's a big freaking deal, okay? For free, no strings attached. Coin Hoover, it's good to see you, my friend. Good to see you here. Groggo and Slippy. Okay, so let's talk about this. So first of all, Groggo sits also on top of my list. I love Groggo. I think it's a fantastic meme coin. I love the culture of this. I see a smaller size Hoppy. You guys might disagree with me. But I really see a smaller scale Hoppy in the sense that, first of all, it's another fraud by Matt Fury. If you're not familiar with this character, it's part of Mind Viscosity, right? Which is another book by Matt Fury. So there's already bullish elements on there, okay? Just to begin with. But what makes me so bullish about this project is really the community. They're super active, and there's quality people behind this. And I know some of the team members, so I just know that they can send projects. This is all that I'm going to say. A lot of art being developed. I love this kind of art, by the way. Kind of anime style, can I say it? Anyway, I really love this. Also, some bullish updates. I'm sure that you heard about the Meme Arcade. So this is a video game that is being developed in a Street Fighter kind of vibe. There's a lot of collaborations that are coming from other characters of the Boys Club or the Furyverse, as they like to call it. Obviously, you can see Brat, which is another big win of my VIP Discord. We did a 10x on that, and I would expect even another 10x or even 20x from here. Freaking vibe, bro. Grog is there. There's Fofar. There's what's the name of this character? I don't remember. Bird Dog. So a bunch of other characters, and there's also an animator that is cooking full time for this project. Okay, that is also a big deal. Cooking full time. And they're working on an animated series that is called The Grog Father. Let me see if I can just find it real quick. Yeah, so they're working on this animated series. It's all or nothing in crypto. Oh my god, let me remove it. I don't want to get copyrighted. But yeah, check it out. They have a full-time animator, cooking full-time. Love this shit. So check it out, all right? Check that out. And when it comes to Slippy, I might have a bag, I might not have a bed. For now, I'm gonna put Slippy into the good category. Let's make a new entrance. Should I say much about this? I might have it, if you know what I mean. Or I might not. Who knows? Anyway, let's talk about Slippy a minute. Since I've never mentioned this on my YouTube channel. 263k market cap. It's a CTO. And it seems like this is a narrative that is taking some sort of traction. Are you guys familiar with this narrative? Double Fried. I'm going to make a video about it very, very soon. But Double Fried is a pilot, a video that you can search on YouTube, by the way. I don't know if it was canceled or if it was just a one-time thing. Anyway, it's an animated series by Matt Fury, which to my knowledge was stopped at the pilot, but introduced a lot of characters that are part of the Double Fried meta. So there's the 3 books of Matt Fury, and then there's this pilot. Slippy is one of the 2 main characters, okay? So this is the thing. It's one of the main characters, and there's very bullish stuff coming. That is all that I can say. So check that out. 263k, the chart is looking like it's ready to send, and it's just forming a very bullish triangle right there. So I dig it. I dig it. I think it's ready to send. So yeah, I'm saying it. I'll put it in the bullish list because I like it. I dig it. All right. Cool stuff. And by the way, it's a horny frog if you guys happen to care. Do you care? Whatever. It's a horny frog. I think it's like a stoner type of vibe. Anyway, it's bullish. Who's bullish on the horny frog? Is the horny frog gonna make us millions? Perhaps. Fluffy. So many people were fudding Fluffy for no reason. Listen, a lot of... You know that Ethereum was dumping like just the other week. A lot of memes on Ethereum were dumping. Nobody cares. Nobody cares because nothing has changed for the fundamentals of this project. 363K. It just goes back to 1 million. It's a 3x from you. All right? It's cheap. It's the only cat of Mad Fury. It's a big deal. Why is it not loading? My internet is so slow today. Anyway. It's the best friend of Fefe. I like Fefe. I hold some Fefe as well. This is the only cat of Mad Fury. The only cat. If you're bullish on cats and dogs, which, by the way, they are still the winning meta when it comes to characters, it's right there, bro. It's right there. So I'm bullish. I haven't sold a single token of my Fluffy bag, by the way. I'm playing the long game for this. It's a long-term play. It's not a swing trade that I flip in one day and just leave it. Turbo and Speedy, all you need. I would disagree on that, but I am bullish on both Turbo and Speedy. Guys, make sure to leave a like for these live streams. I'm bringing you these live streams for free. The least you can do is just drop a like for all the free alpha. And I really appreciate it. It's the best way to support me right now. And yeah, again, it's much appreciated if you do that. It takes 1 second of your time and it helps me more than you know. The Fluffy community is here as well, so shout out to you guys. Groggo, Slippy, Bone, and Skull. Bone. I don't think I know this one, though. Bone? Ah, Flea Bone. Yeah, this is also a good play. All of this meta is winning, bro. All of this meta. So, yeah. I love when all these communities come together to my live streams because it really shows how active they are. So study communities, guys. Study the communities that show up on YouTube, okay? What is your super duper bearish target for Pepe? Bearish? I thought you said bullish for a minute. What's the market cap now? 4 billion. My most bearish scenario for Pepe would be something like 20 billion. That would be a 5x. I don't see Pepe doing anything less than a 5x. But it's also depending on a lot, in my opinion, if it gets listed on Coinbase or not. A lot of people are insinuating that Coinbase really doesn't want to list it. But if you remember, Coinbase really apologized for not listing Pepe last year when it started pushing. Last year? Was it 2 years ago? I'm losing track of time. Anyway, I think they're going to list there. I don't see why not. I think Coinbase really wants to make it up. I mean, Coinbase are really stupid if they're losing on something that is almost 1 billion of volume in trading volume on a daily basis. Like, they're missing a lot of money if they don't list Pepe. So it would be extremely retarded on their end. Bob, it's good to see you. What's good? What's good? I'm good. How are you, my friend? Frank, do you think we can 10x on Slippy very soon? Why would 1 million be a barrier? No. Why? Do you think it's going to be a barrier? I don't see it. Maybe we have some resistance levels because obviously 1 million is a good price target. And some people take profits, it drops, and then it pumps again. Higher highs and higher lows. Why are you bothering so much, bro? Like, if it goes to 1 million, it's a 4x from here. You already made a lot of money. If you put $1,000 in now, you're going to have $4,000 when it goes to 1 million. It's a 4x. You can just take out your initial investment and let the rest of your bag ride. Well, whatever. Don't take this as financial advice. Just my thoughts. But Cipro, BlackRock peoples do live under and by the rock? Huh? What does it even mean? Why is Bebe a bad meme? Do you see a lot of people shilling Bebe? I mean, a lot of people are telling me to ask into it, but nobody's really shilling it. Like, look at the other memes, how active they are. I don't know. I need to research it more, but I don't think that the community is that bullish. I don't see it. I compare with Groggo, with bunch of others. Even Slippy. People are shilling Slippy. Nobody's really shilling Bebe. Maneki. Maneki's okay. I mean, should I be bullish on Maneki? How's the price action? The price action of Maneki sucks. Every meme coin was pumping, Maneki was not. They are on crypto.com though. They are on crypto.com. Listen, I'm not a big fan of Maneki. Where did I put it? I put it somewhere. Listen, I'm not going to say it's bad because I think that the concept of Maneki is good. I think that cats are still the winning meta. I'm going to put it in the good one. In the okay one. I think it's okay. I don't think it's anything that I'm like, whoa. Price action still lives a lot to desire. I don't know. It has decent exchange listings, so I'll give them that. But maybe that was the only reason why it pumped a little bit. Unless we need a catalyst event for something like this. We need something like I don't want to say Binance, but Kraken maybe to begin with. They're already on crypto.com, so usually what follows crypto.com is Kraken. So I don't mind this meme. I'm just okay. It's okay. But why would I buy it when I can just buy Ponke? Ponke is probably going to give me more returns than Maneki. Turbo, I can buy Speedy, I can buy Doug the Duck. Why don't we talk about Doug the Duck a little bit? Why don't we talk about Doug the Duck? Because, honestly, if you're still fading Doug the Duck, you guys remember my live streams in like June or July when I found Doug the Duck and I was plugging it at 150k? The first very correction is where I bought Doug the Duck. I carried to 5 mil. I swing traded a little bit. Bruh, why? Why have people faded? The chart is like textbook definition of a chart that looks good. Even if you had bought it a few weeks ago, you would have bought it at 1 million. You would have done a 4x. 4x is better than the majority of the shitty coins that you see other influencers promote on YouTube or X. You would have made a 4x in a couple of weeks. It was forming an ascending triangle. I said it. Bullish. It's going to break out. Then it breaks out and does another 2x. Bullish. Don't ask me if you should buy Doug the Duck today. If you buy today, you're stupid. I'm sorry. Pump 4x. Why would you buy now? There's other stuff that you can buy. If it retraces, sure, take a look at it. But if you have faded, if you're new to my channel, I can have sympathy for you. But if you're not new to my channel, if you've been following me for a few months already, I've been warning you for months, not even weeks, months. Franz, thank you so much for your super chat. I appreciate you. Big news soon. If you give me some alpha, I'm going to shill Bebe now. And by the way, there's different Bebes. Bebe? I don't know even how to pronounce it. But some people were saying, because there's this one. I was talking about the blue one. I'm not sure what. And also there's like a baby Pepe. Or maybe that's Pepe. I don't know. It's so confusing, bro. But anyway, I assume that you're talking about this one. If you have big news, let me know. Because, again, you might be the only guy shilling BB right now. Blue one, Elder Frog. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one that I meant. Let me know. Where's the gang? Because they're not here. And until I'm proven otherwise, until I'm proven that there's actual alpha behind this coin, But again, maybe I'm going to change my mind. Who knows? Tiago, it's good to see you, my friend. The pink Pepe. Oh my god. There's so many, bro. There's so many. Pink Pepe. Blue Pepe. Gay Pepe. Bro. Which one is it? Is it this one? $700 in market cap. Should I buy it? Pepe. Damn, that's bullish. Should I buy it? Look at that wick. Oh my god. I mean, I assume it's not this one, right? Pink Pepe. Guys, I honestly have no idea. Post me the CA, please. Baby Pepe. Again, you need to give me the CA because there's so many. What is going on, guys? What's going on, bro? That video you did for setting filters on BullX was fire. Increase my win rate. Let's fucking go. Let's go, man. Honestly, messages like this make my day, bro. The fact that I actually helped you out in this, that's amazing. So I'm very glad to hear. Yeah, so first of all, obviously, if you're not trading memes on BullX, guys, I don't know what you're doing. I'm doing all of my trades in there. You get free instant access, okay, with 10% of trading fees with my link. bullx.io/Cipro is down here in the description. You get access immediately, and you also get 10% of trading fees forever. I'm doing all of my trades in there. So if I'm using it, you probably should check it out at least. And also, I made another video that you should check out on the settings that I'm using for sniping meme coins, okay? Honestly, it's not getting some love compared to the other videos that I've posted as of recent. So people apparently don't want to make money. So if you are not like the majority of people and you actually want to make money, check the video that I posted yesterday because I've basically put my filters, how I filter for meme coins, how I skim through the shit. Sorry. And I actually find gems, how I snipe gems. And by the way, I was also mentioning very early this project. I think it went 3x from the moment that I posted this video. Then I think it died now. But anyway, if you were watching this video, there was indeed time sensitive about what was it called? Pop Goat. You would have made a 3x or something. So again, that's why I say that my videos are urgent and time sensitive, because they actually are. But yeah, it's still valid for the BullX tutorial and how I snipe for memes. So make sure to check it out. Can't miss that. So I assume that you're talking about Speedy. So Speedy is on Bitmart, apparently. Speedy is on Bitmart. Ascendex, I have no idea what that is. And XT is awful. They really have bad exchanges, to be completely honest. But, I mean, at least you can use Bitmart and XT.com from the US, I think, if you use a VPN. So that's good enough. Dorky is Groggo derivative? Groggo. Sorry, Dorky. Dorky. I don't think I've seen it. Wait. The Dark Lord? 8 million? Groggo derivative? I think I've seen this before, but what's the lore behind this? The Dark Lord. I don't think this has anything to do with Groggo. Why are you saying that? What's the meta about this? Is it big? I don't know how I feel about this. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. They're not posting super frequently, though. I don't know. I'll check it out. For now, maybe an okay pick, I guess. Brian, good afternoon to you, man. Thank you for stopping by. Fluffians, future billionaires, LFG. LFG. Thoughts on Trump Sui? Guys, by the way, sorry if I'm so behind on the comments, but there's just too many today. So if you want your comments to be read, just drop a super chat. Super chat. Super chat. And I'm going to read it. Otherwise, one sec. Let's see. Can you hear me now? Somebody tell me. Man. Can you hear me? Yeah? That's fucking weird, man. Yeah, I think it's my plugin. So, yeah, we're not going to have sound effects, but whatever. Let me know if I'm too loud or stuff because I changed the source of the mic. But yeah, okay, should be good. Thank you, guys. I'm not sure when I stopped. Hopefully you didn't miss too much. But I was actually talking about this thing that Elizabeth was mentioning to me. Kendu on base. It's so fucking funny that you mentioned this because I was actually about to post about this. But okay, there you go. Since there's not too many people watching this live stream, I can already talk about it because it's kind of early this live stream, so there's not as many people as usual. But I got serious alpha about this. In fact, I was filming a video that is going to be posted tomorrow. So make sure to check my channel tomorrow. I have a video about this. Listen, it could retest this line, but I know that this is being pushed. This is going to be pushed. There's going to be a lot of people talking about this because they're really making a lot of moves. Okay? The founder of Base Kendu actually has some bonds with Shiba Inu, and I'm not making this up. I cannot make this up. There's some connection with Shiba Inu, with this project. There's some of the whales of Shiba that are accumulating this, and I'm not joking, by the way. And you guys will probably remember Kendu Inu on Ethereum that was pushed at the highest of Bitcoin before it went to shit to $250 million. This thing went to $250 million, okay? So that is a big freaking deal to begin with, all right? 250 million. And then, obviously, there's the new kid on the block. It's the same dev. It's taking over the base ecosystem. The base ecosystem, the main point that I have is that the base ecosystem, look at the volume. Look at the volume. 2.46 billion for base is something that we haven't seen for ages, okay? We've last seen this, I think, in June or July. That was the peak of the volume of the base ecosystem. Then the base volume was 600 to 700 million daily. Right now, we went 4x on that. So rest assured on this shit that it's gonna freaking fly, all right? So I've bought a bag. And yeah, you're getting the very early alpha here because I'm gonna start shilling a lot from tomorrow. So be assured. I do expect something between, I want to say even a 5 to 10x, like soon. Would you buy Slippy or Fluffy? I would buy both. Just look at the charts. Do some minimal TA. I'm all in XRP and I hope I lose. Bro, that's proper incel talk, bro. Fuck my life. Mudbot is also into the double fried narrative, so do some research on the narrative and perhaps you're going to figure out if you should buy it or not. I'm going to give you some alpha though. Mudbone is a sketch of Fleabone. So if you think what Fleabone is right now, Mudbone is kind of the origin story of Fleabone. So you do you if you want to buy it. Just telling you what it is. Do you consider Wolf on Ethereum a buy? I think it's a good project. I just probably would not buy it. I think there's better risk to reward plays right now. Okay, so Kendu on base. Makes it to the list. Welcome, bro. Swish is doing good as well. Yeah, Swish is doing great. The dev is cool. This is what happened when you have a cold community, when you have the dev cooking full time. And with good intentions as well. What's your thoughts about Foxy on Linea? It's okay. I think that I would put it into the okay. No, maybe in good. Come on, I need to put it in the good because it's still the biggest meme on Linea. And although I am not that bullish on Linea, on buying a meme on Linea, I am more bullish on the fact that they are collaborating with the unfeathered ecosystem, Souls, okay? They are, Souls is part of the Gamers Guild of Linea, whatever it's called, and Foxy is basically one of the main actors right there. So absolutely bullish. Everybody loves some Speedy, my friend. Can you give me the, since a lot of people, the baby Pepe gang is here, can you guys give me the CA? Because I don't have it. No, I think Cat Dog is dead. Book of Trump getting warmed up? Not sure, bro. $100K. It looks like a stable coin, bro. It's not really getting warmed up. What's the volume? The volume is okay, though. But it looks like a stable coin. Needs some actions here. It's a CTO. Chart doesn't look that bad. But, yeah. Needs some action, my friend. Needs some action. Swish is a leverage play on Sui. I agree, man. I agree. And Sui is on fire. I bought heavily Sui. I had a limit order, I think 1.70, 1.60 something. Anyway, I caught the bottom again. Wow. And I'm from that buy, I'm up 25%, something like that. Freaking fire, man. Everybody loves the turtle here. Okay, somebody gives me the contract address of Baby Pepe. I swear to God, I'm gonna look at it. All right, thank you. I love the CA though. Okay. 14 million. Wow, the chart looks good, man. The chart looks good. Chart looks good. Very key level because... Is this the overall chart? Yeah. It looks good, guys. Let's see. I mean, this is the key resistance level of this chart. So if it's able to like bounce out of this range, sky's the limit. What's the volume? Decent volume. Is this on any exchanges? It's not on exchanges and it's 14 million with that volume. No KOLs. How can a project go to 14 million without a single KOL? I'm not gonna lie, this is quite bullish. Oh, there is a KOL. Crypto Now. What's up, bro? Not sure if you're watching, but cool guy. Follow him. It's cool. I like him. Yeah, looks good. Baby Pepe flipping Baby Doge. What's the market cap of Baby Doge? $400 million? How is this thing so big? Really? I didn't even know it was this big. Yeah, I'm not sure about that though. Well, if you compare the volume, holy shit, like Baby Pepe almost has more volume. It's like half the volume, but it's like hundreds of times the market cap. Like, what the hell? Oh, I love this comment. Why do all your crypto YouTubers hate on each other? Yeah, that's true. Well, I literally just made a compliment to another crypto YouTuber, so I'm not saying that. But yeah, I agree. I hate the culture. I hate that there was also a lot of people hating on me just to grow their Patreon when they're retards. And I was actually saying, they're cool guys. And then behind your back, they backstab you just to get more Patreons. To all those guys, fuck off. Like, you deserve the worst. But there's a lot of cool people on YouTube. Like, Blaine is cool. Who's cool? Crypto Now or Never is cool. I don't have a lot of YouTube. JR is cool. What other YouTuber can I say is cool? Anyway, there's a few YouTubers that are cool. All the others are full of shit. But I have some people that I respect, and I'll probably make some videos with them in the future, for sure. Kendu on ETH is older than Kendu on base, and people usually prefer the old one. I'm not sure you're understanding my point, but you're probably also not aware of all the alpha that I have, so that's fine. But I see your point, but yeah, you probably don't know what I know. What meme would you buy now for a quick few X's? I do agree that Fluffy and Slippy are smaller, so as a result, they're gonna move faster because they are sitting below the 1 million. Groggo is already touching the 2 million. So if you're looking to make a quicker, more access, perhaps focus on the things that are smaller. Obviously, they're gonna carry a higher degree of risk, but they're perhaps gonna move faster. All right. Let's fucking go. Kendu about to fly. You know it, brother. Little Up Games has the worst team in crypto gaming industry. Probably goes to zero, unfortunately. I have some dust in it, and it's probably gonna go to dust. That's the nature of the game. Lose some, win some. You know, people are always gonna remind me of my L's, but they also quickly forget all of the big wins that you can also find on the shit, by the way, if you're interested in seeing all of the fucking crazy calls that I've made to generate people a lot of money. So I don't care. You're gonna have losses. You know, I'm human at the end of the day. I'm gonna have some calls that are gonna make people a lot of money, and I'm also gonna have some calls that are gonna lose people money. That's the nature of the game, okay? I don't pretend to be perfect like some other of these crypto YouTubers that they delete their old videos just because they made a bad call. Fuck off. Jerry, what is up? Proud member of the channel. What's up? It's good to see you, man. Had a meme I bought yesterday at 3 p.m. Republican on pump. Did goods dropped a bit, but I've collected my profit back to work. So I assume it's dead. Otherwise, I would check on it. Thank you so much for stopping by. You're the best, bro. Like, thank you so much. I really appreciate the people that are supporting this channel as members. Means a lot to me, guys. Means a lot, honestly. Okay, France has some alpha for Bebe. Is it Bebe or Baby? I still don't know how to pronounce it. There's a listing and a new animator. Okay, if there's a new listing and a new animator, I'm perhaps gonna put it in the OK. Okay, can I do this? Fuck it. I'm gonna put it in the OK. I still don't put it in the good ones. But yeah, if they have good actual, if they have a listing, listen, if they don't list on anything, I'm gonna put it back in the bad one, all right? Let's make a deal. Let's make a deal, friends. Let's make a deal, all right? If they have a good listing that I like, I'm gonna put in the good one. If they have a bad listing or they don't list at all, I'm gonna put it back in the bad. Right now, it sits on the freaking limbo, in the OK one. Yeah, I need to do some research on Dorky because, yeah, I just never encountered that. Maybe it's good. Nami Thief Cat X account is the funniest meme I ever saw. Huh. Oh, sorry guys, I need to put baby Pepe. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. I like it. I like it. Nami Thief Cat. Okay. Let's check it out. Is it this one? Yeah, I wish I could play the audio, guys, but I don't want to get demonetized. Damn, they put the Marvel intro. That's so cool. I love it. I like it. I like it. Man, this shit's funny, man. Oh my god. Who made this, man? Oh my god, this is so funny. Damn. Let's look at the chart. Guys, as I said, I study communities. I study content. This looks good. I'm going to put it in my research list. The chart is okay. But damn, the content is fire, man. It looks funny. I like it. Okay, I'm going to do some research on this. Thank you for the alpha. Do you expect a crash on election day or when the election results are declared? I do have a theory. I have a theory that regardless of what the outcome is, there's going to be a lot of hype in anticipation. And then we're going to probably experience a sell the news event if Kamala gets elected. That is just my opinion. And it's not to get political. It's just how crypto is. And if Trump gets elected, we probably go parabolic. That's the way that the markets are going to react, in my opinion. Anything is possible. Nobody knows the answers, unfortunately. Otherwise, I'll give them to you right now. But the time... Yeah, to be completely honest, you could aim at maybe exiting right before, or perhaps DCAing the majority of it right before. But don't take this as financial advice. To be honest, I'm not investing that much into Politify memes. The only one that I have right now is MAGA, like the OG one. But yeah, what's happening with Min Layer? To my knowledge, nothing bad. I mean, the project is still there. The project is still valid. And obviously, the entire attention of the market right now is on Memecoin. So people don't really care about utility projects. Retail investors are not even in. Like, there's a long way to go. But as far as I'm aware, nothing really changed on the timeline. The team is solid. They're going to release Atomic DeFi very soon. There's going to be another token. Like, it's good stuff, man. So many comments, man. Guys, I'm super bullish on Swish, obviously. Okay, if you just joined, I want to remind you of the offer that I have for my lifetime membership. It's ending in 2 days, okay? It ends with this month. To get the discount on lifetime membership, email me onion to my email address. You're gonna get a discount on lifetime membership. It's the first and last time that I do this. Don't ask me ever again if it's in the month of November, okay? And you also get access to my courses for free, which is a big deal because I spent hours. There's hours and hours of content that you get access with the lifetime membership. It's crazy, man. Thoughts on Slop? Slop? So really decent exchanges. Pump fund is blocked. Wait, let me go on deck screen. Oh, wait. Ah, yeah, I saw this. Yeah. Am I the only one that thinks that this meta is kind of dying down a little bit? I think it's losing steam. This kind of meta. Yeah, in fact, 33% down from yesterday. I think it's losing steam. It's a gamble. Like, you could have a bounce back and actually catch a very good dip, but it's just risky. Kendu about to fly. You heard it here first, guys. It's the one on base, not the one on Ethereum. The one on base. Thoughts on Hehe? Is that the cat? $14 million. Damn, chart looks very good. Good chart. Good chart. They have listings? I don't know. They are on crypto.com? Really? Mohammed, I'm gonna get to your question. Stop asking me the same thing. I can read it. I just have like 30 comments before you. If you write it once again, I'm not gonna talk about it. Yeah, it looks good. I mean, this is very memeable. Like, the majority of people are aware of this meme, and it's on crypto.com. It's a big deal. Yeah, I think it's gonna do well. I doubled my money on Baby Pepe. Do you recommend I take some profits? I mean, on a normal meme, I would definitely recommend to take your profits, perhaps take your initial investment out at a 2x. But for something like Baby Pepe, that is more like an established meme coin at the end of the day, it's not like one of those ones that are probably going to rug tomorrow. Perhaps you could stretch it up to like tripling your money and then you take your initial investment out. But again, do whatever you want. It's just what I would do myself. Like, let's say that I do a 2x on Ponk. I'm not going to take my initial investment out because Ponk is Ponk or Brett or Pepe, you know? But if it's like very, very low caps that are like 2 million or below, I would definitely do that. It's just very different strategies, guys, like depending on how the market is and whatever the hell you're doing, you know? Okay, Selflex shielding me something. I hope it's here because I can't access Pump Fun without a VPN and I'm not streaming with a VPN. Oh, this is dead, bro. Jokes on you, man. Who speaks like a robot? I'm not sure who you were talking about. Great communities are winners. Oh yeah, who the fuck trades memes on the Binance Smart Chain? Nobody. Guys, a reminder, people have been still asking me how to buy this, where do I buy that. Every single meme coin, I buy it on BullX. You get instant access to the link that I have down in the description, bullx.io/Cipro. It's also here on the description of my X profile. You get instant access and 10% of trading fees forever. Okay? So bullish. Partner, good to see you, bro. I'll be joining yours, brother. You gained a good man for me, LFG. Good to see you, bro. Nice. Thank you so much. Swish just gonna pump it. It's just gonna pump. Study Swish. Study the content that they're cooking. As I said, I'm very bullish on content. I'm very bullish on good communities. That's the bullish stuff, guys. My pleasure, bro. I'm always here to like check out new projects. And obviously, Baby Pepe wouldn't have been on under my radar if you guys hadn't brought it up. So there's even alpha that you guys are sharing here. So shout out to you, bro. And to all of you guys from the community. Are you buying all the ones in the good section? No, man. No. I'm going to tell you which ones I have if you want. The ones on the top, I have them all. I mean, the ones that you can assume I have them right now are in the top. So if they're not here, I probably don't. I mean, if they're here, I hold them, period. When it comes to the good ones, Fefe, I have it. Swish, I have it. Young Peasy, I don't have it. Wolf, I don't have it. Maga, I have it. The Hat, I don't. Nero, I don't have it. Drag, I don't have it. Cow, oh my god, I don't remember what this is. What was this? Wait. I mean, I must have put it there for a reason. Ah, the crow with the knife. Yeah, I don't have it. Slippy, do I have it? What do you think, chat? Kendu, I have it. Fox and Baby Pepe, I don't have it right now. We should add some more stuff right here. Swish is a next 100x term. It has everything you need to skyrocket. Not just Cipro, but also other influencers are joining before the marketing even starts. Don't be late. Shout out to them, guys. Shout out to the Swish cult. Just look, it's a cult. It's another cult community. So make sure to check them out, guys. Yeah, Trump has got 67% in the polls. I think it's sitting at the all-time high for Kamala, if you guys are interested in polytrade predictions. I had an orange kitty that's still in my socials before I had to. I mean, I also remember in the 2016 elections that Hillary was... Am I tripping? Hillary was winning at the polls against Trump, right? Then Trump won. So, I mean, things can change. I don't want to say before things happen, but yeah, whatever. So Mohammed, I think he's asking me about Kaspa, not Casper. Casper, nobody gives a fuck. With Kaspa, the thing that you guys need to understand is Kaspa moves the exact opposite direction of what the market does. Kaspa doesn't care about the market. Oh my God. When Bitcoin was dumping last year, whatever, Kaspa was pumping. Solana was dumping, Kaspa was pumping. Now Solana and Sui are pumping, Kaspa is dumping. Kaspa moves sideways. Kaspa is a community of its own. Kaspa is a cult of its own. It comes with advantages and drawbacks because the Kaspa people are very stubborn as well. And I am a Kaspa investor. I don't think that I'm a Kaspa cultist like a lot of other YouTubers. I disagree with their views, so don't quote me on that. But I still like Kaspa, okay? I still like Kaspa. I think it's cheap for what it can represent and what it can pump. I know that a Kraken listing is coming. I think it's going to do wonders for it because we need tier 1 exchanges and we need more adoption, especially in the North American market, which is probably the strongest market of Kaspa. And I think that if Binance and Coinbase follow, Kaspa is just going to go to the stars. So the people that are flooding Kaspa now are the same people that are going to just FOMO into Kaspa when we break a new all-time high. You can see that there's always like a 60-70% correction even from the previous highs to the higher lows that we have. And obviously this is a bigger correction that we've seen, but if we still see the support line, the horizontal one, which is obviously the stronger one, because between a diagonal and a horizontal trend line, the horizontal always wins. That's pretty much basic fundamentals. It's a crucial support line. I don't think we're going to break it. I don't see how. Thoughts on MPC? It's good, but it's too big for the rewards that you can generate. So I'm not interested. Oh, sorry. Just saw your super chat, Tommy. Thank you so much for the couple bucks. Billion Solana. No, I don't think it's worth it. I don't think it's worth it. Let me see. $30 million. This was a proper cabal play, bro. Crucial support area. We broke already on that one that was here, that I posted here. So I think that if we break down this one, if we fall down, okay, if we fall down, I think it's over for Billy. I think this just went completely out of fashion. We have another super chat from Crucial. Thank you so much. MLNR. What's this? When did this launch? Last night? Wow, it's definitely something that I would not buy right now. It's very overbought. Very overbought. I mean, the chart looks ready to send. I wouldn't be surprised if it just pumps a little more. Bro, if you type all in all caps, I'm gonna delete the comment. Have some respect. 300K market cap. I mean, that would be a 3x. By tomorrow, no, it's too much, bro. It's already 65% on the daily. It looks good. Let's see. I mean, I've definitely seen more exciting memes, to be completely honest, but the chart looks really nice. Account suspended. No, it doesn't go to 1 million. With the X account suspended, it's actually FUD, so that should probably be a sell signal. No, I'm not sure when it got suspended, but probably it's not impacted in the chart yet. Why would they suspend this account? Why? But yeah, that's a bit of a red flag, man. So we wait for Bitcoin to get to 500K and then buy Kaspa. Hopefully you're not going to have to wait all that much. I do agree that... Bro, stop writing in all caps. Next time I'm going to ban you. If somebody writes in all caps here, it's me. Listen, Pratik. On the cult aspect, I do agree that Kaspa is the new Cardano. Just purely based on the stubbornness of people. That is honestly a bad thing. But bad price action right now, I agree. But you need to also understand that during the bear market, Kaspa was the best performing asset on my portfolio and on everyone's portfolio. So, you know, it also makes you think, right? No one can predict. Yeah, obviously nobody's an oracle, but we can actually make prediction. Yes, we can, but we can't know for a fact. But what we try to guess is what points are going to pump so we actually make money. Because if you have that mindset, if you have the current mindset, okay, that you're having right now, Mr. Quentin, you're not going to make money. Because I made, honestly, 7 figures when it comes to Memecoins by buying things that I thought would pump. If your mindset is no one can predict what pumps, then you are a Karen and you end up losing money because you don't take the risk that it takes to actually make money in crypto. So I'm not sure why you're watching my live stream in the first place. And I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. Because negativity, we don't need it here. Any thoughts on what? They've had a lot of fun because they were really pumped and dumped by another influencers that I don't even want to give attention to. So maybe the team is nice. I don't know who's behind the project, so I can't really speak on behalf of the team, but I don't know. Like, I would rather focus on the fresher ones that are getting more hype right now. Yeah, I do agree that when Bitcoin loses dominance, Kaspa is going to pump regardless. I like KitKat. I like that. It's funny. Okay, I'm going to quit it right here. I thank you so much for watching this video. I remind you before we end, there's a discount going on for my lifetime membership. It's going to end in 2 days and it's probably the last time that I ever do this, okay? Especially because I'm gonna close some spots in my VIP group very, very soon. So join in sooner than later if you wanna get in, and if you wanna get in at these prices, and even with this discount on lifetime membership, that's gonna go end very, very soon. All the other links for BullX, CoinW, everything is down in the description as always. I thank you so much for watching this. And also there's going to be a lot of early CAs. I have a new early CA on Ethereum launching tomorrow. So you probably don't want to miss out on that. It's coming to my VIP group first. So I would invite you to join if you want to see this big early CA that is coming then. And there's going to be plenty more coming next week. So a lot of things to be excited about. I thank you so much for watching, and take care. Bye-bye.